Good morning to all. This is Devans, and now today we are going to discuss about the chapter India size and location. So firstly we will discuss about the location of our country. Now let's be discussed according to the fact which has been given. Now the first one has been given: India is a vast country in the reference of area and as well as the population also. Now the second point is given: India lying entirely in the northern eastern hemisphere as well as in the south of Asia. Now look at the map. In this globe, now we can easily see, if we try to look closely, then we can find out there are two dotted line has been given. The first, which has been given vertically, this is considered as a longitudinal line. Number of lines has been given, but this dotted line is considered as a prime meridian. And now the second, which we are seeing in the horizontal form, that is representing equator. So now what we are seeing above equator and as well as in the east of prime meridian. Now look over there. This is just consider that the globe has been given in a flattened form. So this is a prime meridian and as well as this is equator. So when we look over the equator, then this will be considered as a northern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere. And this part will be considered as a southern hemisphere. This part will be considered as a southern hemisphere. So what we are seeing, according to its location, we are talking about the location of our country. So as we already know very well that the location of India is given, it means the latitudinal and longitudinal extension has been given 8 degree. The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. So now just look at the picture as I was trying to describe. Firstly, this is the part of the northern hemisphere. So 8 degree 4 minute, it means somehow that will lies over here, and as well as 37 degree 6 minute, 68 degree 7 minute, and as well as 97 degree 25 minutes. So when we look over the location of our country according to its latitude and as well as the longitude, then you can easily find out. Here just look over here, 37 degree 6 minute north has been given and as well as 8 degree 4 minute. And now if we look over this place, then 68 degree 7 minute and in the east 97 degree 25 minute has been given. So according to the picture, now you can say that India lies entirely in the northern eastern hemisphere. And when we look in the reference of Asia's continent context, then India lies in the south of Asia. Now we will move towards the further point. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. How it could be? When we will just subtract the given latitude from as well as the latitudinal extension and as well as the longitudinal extension, then we can easily find out the total extent of mainland is about 30 degree. So now the next point that is given, the Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minute north divides the country into almost two equal parts. Now again just look over this picture. So what we are seeing, this is Tropic of Cancer, and which is about, or we can say that almost, that is dividing India into equal two parts, and the part which lies under the Tropic of Cancer, or we can say in the south of Tropic of Cancer, that consists tropical region. And when we move above the Tropic of Cancer, it means the half of the part of our country which lying in the north of Tropic of Cancer is considered, or that lies in the subtropical region. So now the next thing what we are seeing, that we are seeing few shaded parts, few states has been given in the form of the shaded parts. So now have a look over there. The first one, this one is Rajasthan. Now the second one, that is Gujarat, MP, that is Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, as well as Mizoram. So why these name has been mentioned? These names has been mentioned because these 8 states has been shaded because the Tropic of Cancer of our country passes from these states, these 8 states. And the formula which could be easily given to learn these states name, that is Chaguram, Panj, Mitri. Chaguram छत्तीसगढ़, गुजरात, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, पश्चिम बंगाल, Mizoram, as well as Tripura. If it could be write down in the Hindi, Chagu, Ram, Panj, Mitri, then it could be more better way through which we can easily learn the name of the states, through which we can easily find out the states through which Tropic of Cancer. The first, Chhattisgarh, Go represent Gujarat, Ra represent Rajasthan, Ma represent Madhya Pradesh, Panj representing Paschim Bengal, Jha presenting Jharkhand, Mi presenting Mizoram, Tri presenting Tripura. So easily we can learn about the states through which Tropic of Cancer. Now if we closely observe over the points, it means the northernmost, easternmost, southernmost, and as well as the westernmost. So we can see that the easternmost point has been mentioned, Kibithu, which lies in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Now northernmost point of India, that is Indira Kaul, and westernmost point of India, that is Guhar Mota, which lies in the westernmost part of Gujarat, that could be denoted as a Kutch also. Now the southernmost point of India, that is a Indira point. The southernmost point of India, that is a Indira point, which submerged underwater due to the cause of tsunami which took place in 2004. But when we talk about the southernmost point of Indian landmass, then always remember that is Kanyakumari or Cape Comorin. So please listen again. The southernmost point of India, that is Indira Point. But when we talk about the southernmost point of Indian landmass, then we always write down that is Kanyakumari or Cape Comorin. Now we will move towards the next point. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. So now look over the picture. This is the southeast and this is the region of southwest. Now what we have read, that in the southwest the Arabian Sea which lies, in that we are seeing the Lakshadweep. This is the group of island, and now in the Bay of Bengal the group of island which lies, that is known as Andaman and Nicobar group of island. Now this is the first part which we discussed today, and further we will discuss about the size of our country. Thank you to all.